Hi everybody, hi minis. It's Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library and we are here for another craft. Are you guys ready? Yes. Again, it's going to be a fun one because it's always a fun one, right? Yes. Okay, no painting today. That's okay because it's going to be super fun anyway. But just so you know, you do not have to put on your special messy clothes. Um, but we could be using markers, so maybe still cover your table, okay? All right, good job. So you can use markers or you can use crayons. Maybe you could use colored pencils, but maybe markers or crayons would be the best. I'm gonna use markers today. You get whatever you and your big person want to get. You'll also need to have yourself a pair of scissors because you're gonna be doing some cutting. Yay, okay. We are making this fun Ferris wheel. Has anybody been on a Ferris wheel before? Some of you? Yeah. So Ferris wheels can go super high in the sky. They don't go super fast, but you just kind of sit in them and then you can see everything way down below. They're really nice if you want to see far, far away and you want to see things from up high. If you don't like to be up high, maybe they're not so fun, but it's going to be fun to make it. We're not going to be up high when we're making it. So let's get started. So you have your markers. Oh, you know what? You also need some glue. So if you can get a glue stick, that would be great. Just a glue stick. Be totally fine. All right. In your kit, you're just going to see a few things, not too many. You're going to see a whole bunch of little papers that look like this. They're all different colors. These are going to be the seats of your Ferris wheel. And you're going to see a big green piece of paper. You're going to see this. This is called a coffee filter. This is going to be the main part of your Ferris wheel. And then everybody's going to have some stars. You're not going to have this many stars, but everybody's going to have a couple stars in your kit. All right, and we're going to turn that stuff into a Ferris wheel. Let's try it. First thing you want to do, everybody, is take this coffee filter and glue it up onto the top of your paper, kind of like this. All right, so go ahead and do that. Take your glue stick, open it up, twist it just a little bit. You don't have to twist it too much. You can put the glue either on your coffee filter or on your paper. I'm going to put mine on my coffee filter. You do have to be a little bit careful if you do that because coffee filters are very thin, which means they could rip really easily. But I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right. So I just put a little bit of glue on my coffee filter. You can kind of see the purple. And then I'm just going to put it right at the top of my paper. And there we go. And you just kind of spread it on down. You can see the purple through there, but that's okay because when this glue dries, it dries clear. All right, so it's just going to be glued on just like that. That's your first step. The next thing that you want to do is pick any color. Pick a color. So if you have crayons, pick a color. If you have markers, pick a color. I'm going to pick this pink. All right, you're going to pick a color, open your marker up, and just draw a dot right in the middle, a circle dot right in the middle, okay? So I'm going to draw a circle. It doesn't matter if it's perfect, everybody, okay? Just draw a circle and then color it in. All right, so we have a circle, dot, circle, whatever you want to call it, circle or a dot. Doesn't have to be perfect. Oh, I was going to put the cap to my glue on my marker. That's so silly. Okay, that's it. I just have a dot. Now we're going to take this dot and either you try it or with your big person, we're going to take a black marker or crayon and we're going to draw 8 lines just coming out of there. All right, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have my black and now I'm going to draw 8 lines. I'm going to draw 1. Whoop. This black marker is dying on me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Woohoo! My black doesn't look very black. Maybe yours does, maybe it doesn't. No big deal. There it is, 8 lines. So you can kind of see them because my black is not too good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys do the same thing. 8. All right. Then, now that we have that done, this is the cutting part. You want to take all of these and cut those pieces out. All right, you can do them, try and do them by yourself, or you can have your big person help you, or just have your big person do it, whatever you want to do. All right, but that's what you want to do. You want to cut them all out so that they all look like this, just in the shapes of these. See, and they'll be like your little bucket seats for your Ferris wheels. Once you get them cut out, you want to kind of put them around your Ferris wheel. However, you can put them any way you want. You can put the blue next to the orange, or next to the green, or you could put it next to the purple. You can put them wherever you want. And you're just going to keep putting them all the way around. Each seat gets a line. So each line gets a seat, whichever way you want to say it. Okay? And then you're going to take your glue after you've decided how you want to set your seats around. And we're going to glue our seats on. There we go. Gluing. Gluing. We're getting so close to our Ferris wheel being complete. This one, I'm just putting a little bit of glue because really they'll hold it right on there. Just a little bit. Holds them on. This is so cute. All right. Oh, I already did that one. All right. So now I have I have seats on my Ferris wheel. Yay! So in real life, a Ferris wheel, this is like the wheel, and it spins around, and all these seats spin with it. And it goes really slow, and you kind of look at everything while it's spinning super slow. But our Ferris wheel is missing just a couple things. One thing it's missing is some legs on the bottom. So I'm going to use brown. If you want to use a different color, you go ahead. We're just going to make some legs on the bottom, okay, to hold the Ferris wheel up. Because we don't want it just rolling all over. We want it to stay in place while it's rolling. So I'm going to make some legs. Just draw some lines and color them in. Or just draw thin lines. You know what? That's up to you too. Because this is your Ferris wheel. You don't have to do it like mine. You can do it just like yours. That's what I love about artwork. You can make your own. Okay, now we have some legs on our Ferris wheel. So now the legs are holding it on, my itching eye, I'm so sorry. Okay, so now the legs are holding it on the ground, but it can still spin. But it's not going to spin away, it's going to stay right there. The only thing I want to do now, I think I want to add a star. I'm going to put a star right in the middle. You can put your star wherever you'd like, or you can add more than one star. I'm going to use a gold star, because I think that'll be perfect. With the pink. Yep, there we go. My Ferris wheel is complete. And I can't wait to see what yours looks like. And I can't wait to see how much fun you're going to have making it. Oh, don't forget to write your name. Or if you need a little bit of help, maybe your big person could help you. Name, date, hang it up, or give it away. Have fun making your Ferris wheel. Now, I just did it like that, but don't worry. When you're on a real Ferris wheel, the seats stay sitting up. You don't go upside down. You guys, have fun making these. See you later.